let's be honest, caring for our bodies can be tough. From TV and movies to ads to social media, we're constantly being told how we should look and what makes us beautiful. And that can be a lot of pressure. And worse, we're not always encouraged to talk about body issues, especially regarding feminine and reproductive health. But don't worry, PH Care is here to help you through some of the common concerns when it comes to the intimate area. Hopefully, you'll be encouraged to embrace your female body to its fullest. So let's begin. Let's start with the biology of the female body. As we enter adolescence, our bodies start changing outwardly, like the growing of breasts, hips, body hair, and pimples. But it also means internal changes like with our hormones and our reproductive system. Because of this, it is so important for us to properly understand and care for our reproductive system, specifically the vulva and the vagina. The vulva refers to the external parts and skin surrounding the intimate area, and the vagina is the inner canal that leads to the main reproductive organs. The female reproductive system is responsible for one of our most hated monthly events, the period. Every month, the body prepares itself to release an egg cell, which builds up in the lining of the uterus. So if the egg is not fertilized, the body needs to discard this lining. This process is the period, or menstruation, where blood and tissues flow from the uterus through the vagina and out the body. This cycle of building up and getting rid of the lining is called the menstrual cycle. One cycle usually takes around 28 days, which is why periods come every month. Throughout the menstrual cycle, you will experience changes in your hormone levels, and this can manifest in your body as PMS or premenstrual syndrome. PMS is perfectly normal in many girls and can manifest differently for everyone, with symptoms that include mood swings, headache, fatigue, swelling, and changes in appetite. So don't worry if you feel weird or a little more different than usual during your period. Speaking of which, as a result of the changing hormones, it's not just the period we experience, but changes in vaginal discharge during the cycle. When you're not on your period, you may notice another kind of fluid on your underwear. This is called vaginal discharge, and it's the vagina's way of keeping itself clean. Normal vaginal discharge is usually white, which is common at different points in your cycle. It can also be clear during ovulation. Before or after your period, it may be brown, which is simply part of the natural process of oxidation when your blood is exposed to air. If your vaginal discharge doesn't look like any of these, then it may be a sign that you need to see a gynecologist. Be careful if you notice a different color, like yellow or green, or if it's accompanied by itchiness. During your period, you may notice a foul or weird smell coming from your intimate area. Don't worry, for the most part, this is normal. Your intimate area is home to billions of good bacteria. This ecosystem can cause its smell to change constantly. Common odors include sweet, tangy, fermented, coppery, or even a bit skunky like body odor. But be careful if the smell is fishy or rotten, like it makes you gag. If your vaginal discharge is a different color, or if you notice especially foul body odor, this is a sign that you might have a bacterial infection. This might be the result of a high vaginal pH level. Normal vaginal pH is around 4.5 to 5.5. Anything much higher than that is the perfect environment for unhealthy bacteria to multiply quickly. To prevent infections, use the right feminine wash with the right pH level. And of course, don't forget to keep your intimate area and your whole body clean and healthy with good hygiene practices. So as you see, you don't have anything to worry about. A lot of things that might freak you out at first with regards to your intimate area are actually perfectly fine. Don't let anything stop you from being your most confident self. With a new PH Care Odor Protect, you are now protected from odor down there. It has the right pH level of 5 that is safe for gentle and everyday cleansing. It has different variants designed for various intimate care needs. Natural protection for antibacterial care, cooling comfort for icy freshness, delicate white for lightening the bikini area, and floral clean for fragrant care. And because caring for the intimate area should be easy in the pocket, PH Care sachets are available for as low as only 5 pesos. Go lang, girl! Don't hold back on the self-care. There's no reason not to embrace your body, care for yourself, and enjoy being a girl.